loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am Tetfu, mashallah. If you're here for the first time, please feel at home and enjoy. And if you're a regular honey, you know I've got endless love for you. It's a new vlog, baby, and I'm not really sure what will be happening, but yeah, right now I am having a guest over, so we're about to prepare something to eat. Let's do that. We are preparing wings and chips, but yeah, you'll see what's up. We're first gonna wash these, so I'm gonna boil my water and then yeah. So since we are indoor today, I decided no man, let's go to campus, even though we're not going for academics or anything like that, but we'll be going for netball training. So I just freshen up and I'll start getting ready. I have to do my hair and then wear properly for the event here. So yeah, let's go play netball. Hey loves, welcome way too. I know I said I'm taking you with me to practice and I didn't. I'm so sorry. That's because I had to attend 2 practices. So basically I moved from netball to handball and then again to netball, but the week is still long, so I am gonna take you guys with me. Sana, I'm excited. I just got back from practice and our bestie, well, if you've been around, you know who our bestie is. I can't even talk, guys. He got me the tablet I've been eyeing, baby. Like, it's been okay, like I've been eyeing it for some time, but yeah, now I told him like a month ago, but hey, Yazi, like I need a tablet because I want to start playing games and also just so I can do my work like I'm Nandi. Not that there's a problem with my PC, but I just wanted a tablet and he did that. So can we unbox it now? Like, I was so good to opening it, and then I remembered that I am vlogging. So guys, I can't even hold myself, but yeah, let's do that. Ooh, guys, oh my god, I love that. What did I do? Oh no! Okay. Okay, let's start with this one. So we have this pen. I think it's pen, like the tablet's pen. Oh my god, guys. Okay, this is the user manual. And then this is like a keypad situation. Where do we... So this is the keypad and it's so light, guys, like Nandi. Wow, he really outdid himself. What's this? Okay, it's also like a user manual. And then we have a pouch. Yeah, this looks like the pouch. Yes, we have a pouch. Oh guys, I'm panicking. I don't know why I'm shaking. Literally shaking doing this. But yeah, this is the pouch. Oh, this is the pouch. Ooh, This is the exact size engifuna yesana. It's like a 10.1 inch. Okay, let's put this away. The star of the show. Let me put this aside for the star to shine. Woo. Fragile. Handle with care. Oh, okay. Let's just check these out. So we have appliances. We have its charger here. Its charger. Oh, it's a C type. Okay, that's good. And then we have the mouse. Wow, guys. We have a mouse Kisana. Okay. We have a mouse. Miniana mouse. And okay. And I like the fact that it's thingy. It probably uses, what do I call this? Oh my god, guys, I'm running out of English bundles. Oh, it's wireless. Wireless, yeah. I love the fact that it's wireless. And then, oh, okay. And then, finally, the star of the show. So pretty. So pretty. But yeah, this is the star of the show. This is the star. Oh, does it have, is this a screen protector? But yeah, guys, it's gray. Oh my god, I love it. What's this? Oh, it moves. Guys, I love it so much. So much. Is this a screen protector? It looks like it's a screen protector. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, but I don't want to remove it. Oh my god, I'm causing bubbles. I think it was supposed to. Okay, I'm gonna need to get a screen protector because this is just plastic. But why is it not coming with one? Also, guys, it's so heavy. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Yeah, guys, this is my tablet. Yes, Sanas. Let me. How do? Let's try to turn it on. Hi there. English. Why isn't there English UK? There's even isiZulu. Okay. Why is it saying English United States? Because usually we use UK. Should I just say English only? Okay, let me say English. Why isn't there UK? United Kingdom, yes. This is the English we use, yes. And then I'm obsessed. I don't know what to do, guys. Hey loves, welcome into another new day of the vlog. I hope you guys are good. Okay, that's a bit weird because this is not in real time, but yeah, it's gonna be a productive day. I'm quickly just gonna make breakfast. I wanna do some work, so okay, let me not tell you guys about that, but yeah, I have to do some work, and then I want to install hair. So I have been busy with the blonde hair and I just want to give it a break. So we're gonna be installing a different unit today. It's not new, something that you've seen before, but yeah, we'll be doing that. And then we might cook, because I've realized that when I come back from netball, I am so lazy to cook yabo. So hopefully we'll have enough time to do all of that before practice. So yeah, that's what's up. And yes, today I will definitely be taking you with me to practice. And yeah, I think also today is the last day of the vlog. So yeah, I don't want to make it too long. Also, I just want to try and see if I can upload like 2 times a week. So yeah. Guys, this is what we're having. So we're gonna have a cheese sandwich, as you guys can see, and my lemon tea. Yeah, with two, nothing fancy, nothing much. And then we're gonna do some work while we cook. Yeah, I think I should do it simultaneously, yabo, so that I am ahead of time. Okay guys, talk soon.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, babe. Don't wanna fit. Right around the world, yeah, you right around talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby.
I ended up deciding that I am not gonna install the thingy, the difficult weave. Is it difficult? Well, yes, it's difficult to install, yabo. So I picked another one now that is like an easy peasy thingy, yabo, because I struggle with my headaches. So I just think it's not gonna be convenient for me to install Intehlupayo and then I have to remove it again tonight. So yeah, that's what we are doing now. But yeah, it is still something. It's black. Yeah, it's black. Let's do this. Okay, I'm watching something, so y'all enjoy the music. Loves, welcome into the vlog. I ended up leaving you like halfway and that wasn't proper at all, but yeah, we are outside and hopefully I'll be able to vlog sana. The installation just isn't giving. It's not what I want, so I decided to wear this belt thingy. And guys, I was so late today. I actually broke my bottle. I am so heartbroken. Kesana, look, I need a new bottle. Somebody send money. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking you with me to practice and enjoy.
Is that ice?
Same side, ni 201 pound band. Rồi, ai kìa. Quay về nó gần trên tà. Ai bắt nó bắt. Sorry. Ulan mà ai qua chú
Kopi, yeah. Kipis kakhulu.
Open the content creation. Utsho sisixayipheya kusekliniki va. Hayi uthi uphana la. Sekuvezile nje uthi. Yes, I knew it. Front of yes. Woo!
Hmm?
I hope you got that.
Kuleg.
Nice one.
Don't make it fast.
Who faster? Be faster than her. Nice. Yes.
Map. Ibang. Yabo. When they come to score, uvesipal. Vesipal. Choma we.
Ina out here ndiyazi njena. Ina kwathi.
Okay.
Your coach what? Hi coach.
Going to. Don't forget it. Yes?
Let's say forget.
Huh?
I say forget.
Hey my loves, welcome back. Gesana, we are done with practice. And remember, Emini, we ended up not cooking and doing the work that I wanted to do. So we're probably gonna do that when I'm done bathing. So yeah, that's about it.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything.
Hey babies, so before we bath way too, I decided to make a smoothie. Yeah, well, because it's just my thing lately. Well, I have been struggling. I've been struggling with my stools. So lately, Jay, I've been back to making my smoothies because they help me with that, yabo. So yeah. Hey my loves, I know I said I'm closing the vlog yesterday, but Sana, I just had to come back to you guys before I end it. So today I went to practice and I came back with these guys. How cute. My friend is the cutest and the sweetest and the most thoughtful. Yay. I don't know, Sana, because what is this? You guys know I was so heartbroken in the Bayer bottle yesterday, so this really means a lot to me. It's written you are the best, and also the sweet treat, Sana, 10 out of 10. Google, yeah, yeah, man, that's what I just wanted to share with you guys. Otherwise, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Honey, I have to hurry because music, I'll be copyrighted. Bye.